Hello everyone, today in this video I'll show you how to restore your previously disabled Discord account on mobile and also how to log back into it. So let's jump right into it. First we go ahead and launch the Discord app, and as you can see here I'm not logged in because my account is previously disabled. Now from here I just go ahead and fill in my information. And once I do that, I will just tap on log in right here. It will take me to this screen where it says that my account is disabled and I can use it while it is disabled. Now all you have to do is to tap on restore account, wait for a few seconds, and you should be good to go. Your account is back. It is reactivated with all of your previous chat and also the servers and everything just like the way you left it. And that's how you do it, guys. If this video was helpful, please like and comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe for future videos just like this one, and see you on the next one.